Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Simple Habit app on your smartphone, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone's App Store. For Android devices, locate the Google Play Store icon and tap on it. For iOS devices, find the App Store icon and tap to open it. In the search bar at the top, type Simple Habit. Press the search button or tap enter on your keyboard. Look through the search results for the Simple Habit app. It should have a calming logo, often featuring a blue and white design. Tap on the Simple Habit app to view its details. Check the app description, ratings, and reviews to ensure it's the right one. If you're ready to install, look for the Install button on Android or the Get button on iOS. Tap the button to begin the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Simple Habit app for the first time. Alternatively, you can return to your home screen and find the app icon there. Tap on the app icon to open it. The app might prompt you to sign up or log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in with your existing details. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the app's main dashboard. Explore the app to discover various meditation sessions available. Adjust notifications and settings as needed to enhance your experience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's features. You're now ready to start your journey with the Simple Habit app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.